Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect error when I try to open Google Chrome in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to reinstall the browser. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Edge. Comes up Microsoft Edge, click on open it. In Microsoft Edge, you just need to search Google Chrome download. Select the first link, scroll down and select the download Chrome option. After getting download done, you just need to install the Chrome, and after installing, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.